Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will work on bendings. How do we bend a structure or how do we bend a model on Autocad Inventor 2026? So that's going to be our topic today. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. First of all, let's create a model. Let's extrude it. You can bring it up to the dimension required. So we just created a vertical object. So how do we bend this model? How do we create a bending on it? Just follow the instruction. Thank you. Let's pick our bending site. Create sketch. Then let's draw an horizontal line. Careful, make sure it's properly horizontal. My angle here is 0 degree. Perfect. So what do we do next? Finish sketch. Always finish sketch before you create your bending. You can see here, modify, bend path. Let's pick the line of bending, which is this one. And if your bending is not the direction you want, you see here, side, you can change it from here. I'm going to click the second one. You see, the bending change, directions change. So now it's the top that is bending. If you pick the first one, it's going to be bent from the bottom. I want the bend to be from the top. So I'm going to pick the second one. As you can see here, the angle of bending is 90 degrees. You can change it. It's up here. I will make it 20 degrees. See, it's changing. So if you are satisfied with your angle of bending, what do? You just press OK. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see that we just created a bend on our structure. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share. Thank you very much. Also, subscribe. Thank you.